Welcome to Mineral Wells, home of crazy. It'll fit right in here on YouTube. But as you might guess, I'm going to take a quick peek at where they're at with the Baker Hotel. Hey, it's windy, imagine that. Well, I just thought I'd stop here and take another look at the Baker Hotel. It's been about a year since I came by here. And we looked at the progress. And as you can see, they have made a lot. Now, something that I wanted to point out, all these windows, in the last video I said, well, they replaced the windows. Actually, you can see somebody working in the window right up there. I have been corrected on that anyway. These are now they had to replace some of the glass because some of that glass was broken. But these windows are actually it's all actually they just took them out and cleaned them up and repaired them. These are actually the same windows and everything that was there. They've just been cleaned up, so that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and see if we can get around. I say they are very actively working on this right now, as you can see there. So I don't want to get in their way or anything. Let's see if I can get around to the front. Oh, no, that's cool. Hang on a second. Let me zoom in on that. A little perch there. See, they couldn't like that glass, if I recall. Trying not to get run over here too. As I recall, the window was completely out of that before. So, and here's the front steps of the Baker Hotel. I'm trying not to get too close. Like I said, they're working right now. I don't want to get in their way. I'm sure there's insurance concerns and such, but you can see there. Get a little closer if we can. The doors are refurbished, and like I said, I don't know exactly how much of this is new and how much of this is just stuff that was there. I'd have to go back and look right now. But this is the front of it. So even up there around the top where they had the ballroom and all that, looking quite different. But yeah, it looks like all the windows are done. The doors are done. It's really starting to come together. And that is in the pool area. You can see they're working on whatever that building would have been for the pool. Well, I won't say clubhouse. That's not sure. That's not it. But not a whole lot over this way. It looks like they've full area. They must be just getting started on that. I never noticed the lifeguard chair. Hopefully I'm getting a shot. I'm kind of having to hold the camera up. But there's a lifeguard chair over there. I went ahead and snuck. I can't get a. Oh, there we go. I'll just hold it up. Walking right up to the front steps. It's looking incredible. Well, it looks like they've taken the glass out of that one porch there. So I'll have to look again, see exactly when they're planning on having this open for business, but it's looking good. I'll just go ahead and give you a look at that. Not a lot to see really, but showed you that bridge that went across to the pool area, and that's where people would drive through to go around back, likely where they took deliveries and stuff like that. But yeah, if you want to see what it looked like before, so I've got a couple other videos. I've got one that I made just walking around the outside before they started the restoration, and then one from a year ago. Looking good. Okay, well, like I said, I just want to take a quick look at the outside. I don't want to spend a whole lot of time here while they're working on it. There actually is a channel out there that, if you're interested, they show you a little bit of the inside. They also show you the process of restoring these windows. They haven't posted anything in a while, but what's up there is still pretty cool. I'll leave a link in the description. I'll also leave something at the end of the video. But that's where we stand with the Baker Hotel about a year later. So it's getting there. So I hope you like taking a look at it. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Not necessarily in that order. And I will see you next time.